Has your Windows PC suddenly started acting up? Maybe it's crashing, running super slow, or you suspect a virus? Before you panic, there's one essential troubleshooting step you need to know: booting into safe mode. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using multiple methods so you can get your computer back on track. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. So what exactly is safe mode? Think of it as a bare bones version of Windows. It starts with only the most essential drivers and services, completely ignoring all those extra apps and fancy graphics drivers. This makes it a perfect environment to diagnose and fix problems because third-party software isn't getting in the way. There are actually three main types of safe mode. Standard safe mode is just the basics for local troubleshooting. Safe mode with networking adds network drivers if you need internet access for troubleshooting. And safe mode with command prompt is for the more advanced users who prefer a command line interface. Alright, let's dive into the first method. This is the easiest if you can still log into Windows and use your computer. First, you'll want to go to Settings. Navigate to System, click on Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart into this blue Choose an Option screen. From here, select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options, then select Startup Settings, and click Restart. Your computer will restart into this screen, and here you will select 4 or F4 on your keyboard. This will get you into safe mode. If you select 5 or F5, you'll get into safe mode with networking. Now, if your computer won't even get to the login screen, this next trick is a lifesaver. It forces Windows into its automatic repair environment. Hold down your PC's power button for about 8 seconds to completely turn it off. After a few seconds, press the power button again to turn it on. As soon as you see any sign of Windows starting, immediately hold the power button for 8 seconds again to force it off. You need to repeat this cycle a few times. On the third or fourth try, Windows will automatically enter the automatic repair screen. Once you get into the recovery environment, the steps are the same to get back to safe mode. Here's another quick method. This works whether you're at your desktop or stuck at the login screen. If you click on the power button and hold the Shift key while you click Restart, Windows will restart back into the recovery environment. Again, getting back into safe mode uses the same steps. This final option is for persistently having your Windows boot into safe mode. You use the System Configuration tool, also known as msconfig, for this. Type msconfig and then run as administrator your system configuration program. Go to the Boot tab and turn on Safe Boot. One thing you should know here, if you use this method, your computer will always boot into safe mode. To turn this off, you have to go back through the same steps and disable this. Before I continue, I want to remind you about the easy-to-read blog posts and downloadable guides available on our website. The link is in the description. Go check it out after the video. There's one last thing you should know about the difference between a laptop and a desktop keyboard. The software process is the same, but the keys on your keyboard may be different. On many laptops, you might need to hold down the FN key while pressing F4 or F5 to activate safe mode during startup. And if you're on a desktop and you're using a wireless keyboard, it might not connect early enough during startup to register your key presses. If you're having trouble, switch to a wired USB keyboard. It's much more reliable. And there you have it, multiple ways to boot your Windows PC into safe mode. This really is one of the most fundamental skills for any PC owner. It's your first line of defense against those frustrating computer problems, allowing you to get in there and fix things without all the usual background processes interfering. Let me know in the comments what method worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, check out this other one for more on how to get the most from your tech. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.